Welcome to the HMAR Mobile Tech channel. I'm out in the field today. I'm working on a 2011 GMC Savannah 4.8 liter. I'm doing an alternator, and I wanted to share a quick tip with you. This is a pro tip that may help you out, and it's helped me out many times in the past, and this is just to ensure that the job goes as well as it can possibly go. And I'm going to show you right now. This is the alternator. This is what I'm working on here. 2011 GMC Savannah 4.8 liter. I'll bring you over here to where I've got the old alternator out. So here's the new alternator, and got a Duralast Gold 1923-164. And what I'm going to do here is, just because you get a brand new part doesn't mean everything was done right. And even on these brand new Duralast Golds, they've got to go through a rebuilding process. So I used an E-Torx here with my torque wrench set to 80 inch-pounds. And I just went around here and tightened all of these 5 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a circle, okay? And actually 4 rather. I was looking through the lens of the camera, so there's 4 of them here. And what gave me a little bit of doubt is that you can see there's a little green paint mark right there, but it's not going anywhere. So was it actually torqued? So that's the question, and I don't like having question marks when I do repairs on vehicles, and I need to make sure this repair is done right. Here's me checking the torque here, 80 inch-pounds with my torque wrench. And then, of course, I think most of my viewers know how I do things. I just made a recent video here of marking your bolts with white paint or whatever you got. That way you can ensure beyond a reasonable doubt that the bolt was torqued, and there'll be no question marks if anybody else later on goes over your work, or if you have to go over your work again and do the job a second time, you'll know that it wasn't this that caused the issue. If there's any rattling or any issues with separating of the alternator from the housing. So just wanted to show all of this here in the video so that you know what to do, so that you can be a better mechanic and do it like a pro. You did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. See you next time.